So we're going to start by graphing easy equations and make it more complicated, more complex, to feel more comfortable about different types of equations. The very first equation that I'm going to work with is a constant equation. So constant function, which defined as y equals to a constant like c. This is the general definition of a constant function. When you have a function like this, no matter what your x value is, your y value is always fixed. So no matter what x is, your y is fixed. It's always equal to a constant. It's not changing at all. What do I mean by that? Let us take a look at an example. Example says, well, graph y equals to 2. Okay, y is 2. What's the meaning of that? It means that no matter what my x is 1, y is 2. X is 2, y is 2. X is 3, y is 2. For any different value of x, my y is fixed. So take random x values, like 0. If my x is 0, my y is 2. Okay. What if I randomly select x to be -2? If my x is -2, it says, hey, your y value is fixed. It is equal to 2. So you're going to just copy down 2 for your y. You have 2 points. 2 points are enough. So let us graph this. Here I have my x-axis, and here I have my y-axis. My y is always 2. So 2, 1, 2. The graph is going to be y equals to 2. We have a line which is flat. The slope of this line is 0. So this is a flat line. Slope is 0. So we learned that if y is equal to 2, if y is equal to 3, if y is equal to a constant number, we have a flat line or we have a horizontal line. So in special case, when y is equal to a constant, we expect to see a flat graph. What if we have a special case x equals to a constant? So take a look at this scenario. Take a look at this case. If you have x equals to c, no matter what your y is, it doesn't matter at all. So no matter what y is, your x is always fixed. For example, if I ask you to graph, for example, x equals to 2, it means that I can select any y value that I want, but my x is always fixed. My x is always 2. Okay, for any different value of y, x is fixed. X is 2. Select any point with different y values. So the first point, suppose my y value is equal to 1. What is x? The question says x is 2. You cannot change x. X must stay as 2. Select any other y value that you want. Negative 10, negative 10. If my y is negative 10, my x is 2. That's the definition of this line. So I'm going to just copy down 2 here. So how do I graph this? It says no matter what your y is, your x is always 2. So it's going to be the graph of this line. My x is 2. And you get a vertical line. X equals to 2, vertical line. So this is a constant function, but this is just a line. Make sure you know the difference between them. After working with a constant function, the next function that we are interested in is linear function.